Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a very delicious Methi Malai Prawn recipe. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So firstly, I will make onion and tomato paste. For this, I have heated a pan and added some oil into it. Now I will add some chopped onion into it. Then I am going to add some sliced ginger. Now I will cook it until the onion turns into a nice golden color. Now I am going to add into this some tomato. And again I will keep cooking until the tomatoes turn smooth. It's time to switch off the flame and keep it aside for cooling. Once it comes into a normal temperature, I will transfer it into a blender and will blend it into a smooth paste. In the next step, I am going to pre-cook the prawns. For this, I have added some oil into the pan, and once the oil heats enough, I will add the prawns into it. And while they turn into red color, I will bring it out from oil and will keep it aside. Now in a pan I added some oil. Once the oil heats enough, I added some sazira and other whole garam masala. Once they start to splutter, I will add some more sliced ginger. And then I added 2 medium-sized potatoes. I cut them into cube-sized pieces. Once the potatoes turn nice brown in color, I added 2 to 3 green chilies. And now I am going to add the puree and will mix it properly and will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am going to add salt according to my taste. Then goes into this some turmeric powder. Next some garam masala. Now cook it for another 1 minute. Then add the pre-cooked prawns into it. Once added, mix well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes while stirring continuously. Now I am going to add a teaspoon of sugar and water. You can add water according to your choice of consistency. Once added, cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now in a small steel bowl, I have taken 1 spoon of butter. Once it starts melting, into this I will add some kasturi methi, that is the dry fenugreek leaves. No need to cook it for a longer period. Just mix both the ingredients and add into the curry. Lastly, I am going to add some fresh cream. Make a note, once you add the fresh cream, don't cook it for more than 1 minute. Now our flavorful Methi Malai Prawn curry is ready to serve. Try this recipe at your home and give your valuable feedback in the comment section below. For more delicious recipes like this, check out the playlist Food. And don't forget to give a like, share with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.